Hey guys, Lucas here in Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to go over a quick gear mod on how to modify a USGI grenade pouch and show what kind of uses for it. In particular, a good use for your bolt gunners out there with some weird magazines and how it can really benefit you. Okay, so what I've done is taken just a standard issue frag pouch like this one here. Commonly, they are used pretty commonly for compasses because they fit in there real well, or even 10-round magazines because it's hard to find a mag pouch for a 10-rounder like this. But there's a bit of slack in there. So I was looking at a way to kind of fix that up, and as per usual, I went to USGI bungee cords, so just shot cord at the end of the day. And what I did right there is I just looped it around there and tied it off. So I tied it off on the molly straps on the back, and then threw that little point right here, and now it took out some of that slack. And me and one of the other guys here realized pretty quick that, yeah, for 10 rounders that works really great. It takes all that slop out of there. It's pretty tight in there. Shoot. As long as, you know, for shake test wise, all that stuff, it's not going to fall out of there super fast. So you got to have good retention just like that. Now you can run an open top kind of 10 rounder mag if that's all you have, or running stuff like that. Even when you shove a 30 rounder in there, you're good to go. As far as retention goes, once you get that kind of tightened down for it, you're not going to be just falling out just because you're walking around. And for a compass in there, it is a bit more secure. You're not going to have too much to worry about if you have stored a compass or any of the loose ends in there, even with it just open top. So that takes a lot of slack out, which is kind of nice, and now you don't have to worry so much about a sloppy pouch. What we realized that was really good about this is you can fit a 308 mag in these, and that solves a lot of issues for bolt gunners. Now, for bolt gunners, when you're running a 308 mag, big thing is these are big bulky mags, and a lot of your standardized pouches are made for these mags. And you can see there's a big difference in size and length. So while a lot of them fit a single, it can get expensive to get, you know, pouches made for 308 and all that, you know, everywhere else. So this is a really cost-effective option to be able to carry a 308 mag on a belt, on a chest rig, and just, you know, keep it there and carry it around with you. Reinsertion is the biggest issue with these. So pulling it out, you know, no big deal. But if you have this cinched down tight, or even if it's a little loose, getting it back in there is the biggest issue. But for bolt gunners, that's not the hugest issue with y'all, because once you get into position, you're not so much worried about like speed of getting it in and out of the pouch. It's just being able to get that magazine where you need to go with you. So this is a good option for y'all out there to be able to carry your 308 and similarly sized magazine pouches as far as that total length of cartridge goes, and get that where you need it to go. And then, you know, if reinsertion is an issue, pockets or dump pouches, easy to go with there. So quick little gear mod, easy to go, easy to do. And makes it easier to carry some different size magazines around on your belt, on a chest rig, wherever else you need to be. So I hope you enjoy this one. So make sure you head on over, pick some of this stuff up. Let me know what you did with it.